Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to type color text in Discord. To start, you are going to copy one of the codes that we left you in the video description. There, you specify the color assigned to that code. Now in the Discord chat, right-click on the text box and press paste. You are simply going to replace the line with the desired text. When doing so, place your cursor at the end of the code and press enter. You will see your text in that selected color. You can repeat this process for the desired colors in your chat. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.